The Roborock Q7 M5 Plus is a powerful robot vacuum designed to automate your home cleaning. It features strong suction and smart navigation to efficiently clean carpets and hard floors. With its self-emptying dock, it can automatically empty dust for weeks without manual effort. The app allows you to schedule cleanings, create no-go zones, and control the robot remotely. This model is ideal for busy households, pet owners, and anyone who wants hands-free cleaning. You can decide if the Roborock Q7 M5 Plus fits your home and cleaning needs.